guys, what's up? So I had this idea to use every single palette I own to create a look. Not all together, obviously, but we are going to kind of make this a series, I think. I'm going to use every single makeup palette I own and create a look with each one. So starting us off today is the Juvia's Tribe palette. And if you want to know how I got this look, then just stay tuned. Okay, so you guys are a little bit lower than you normally are, so I'm having to like bend down. My tripod broke, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. But right now I'm just applying a little bit of base. This is the Hank & Henry Color Canvas Paint in W2. And these are really cool because they can be used for concealer, primers, to cut the crease, pretty much anything you want to use them for. Okay, so today we are going to be using the Tribe palette by Juvia's Place. Looks a little something like this. And I'm taking this shade right here called Ashanti. And I'm just placing that into my crease and blending upwards. Now I'm going in with Oromo and I'm just placing that right up above that other color we put down. Okay, so now we are taking Tootsie and I am just placing that down here. I went ahead and connected Ashanti to my inner corner or to my outer corner, and then now we're gonna put Tootsie right underneath that. And then I'm gonna go in with Masai, which is right here, and blend that out even further. My friend is texting me right now as I'm filming, and she just said, "You are so beautiful, I love you." Oh, so sweet. Okay, so now I'm taking Curla, which is this metallic orange, and I'm just placing that right on my lower lash line towards the front of the eye. Okay, so now I'm taking a little bit of this Romantic Beauty green bright eyeliner. This is a waterproof eyeliner, and I'm just underlining the front of my brow. Now I'm just taking some of this gold glitter liner by Romantic Beauty and lining my eyes. All right, so I added some Bethlehem lashes, lined my lips with this Dragon Beauty lip liner, applying a little lip topper by Hank & Henry. This is in the shade Rapture. And this is pretty much the final look, you guys. What do we think? I also added some gold contacts. These are the Pro Gold Contacts by Masaki Cosmetics. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.